So here we have two vintage gated Otis elevators. We'll take a ride on this left one first. Kind of looks like they put some new paneling on the cab. Yeah, you can kind of see the Otis logo there. Look at these beautiful buttons. So we'll go up to 8. Go back down to B. This looks like it's the freight car. This one still has the original cab. Oh wow, look at this. It's got the original crank. That's what I thought. So we have to use the buttons here. So go up to 8. Oh. So this is rather interesting because you could control this. You use that key switch. You could choose manual or automatic. So that's pretty interesting. Those are some really cool elevators, so that's it.